Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can withdraw or send money from Temu to your Cash App in a couple of simple steps. So let's get right into it. And as you can see, I'm using the temuapp.org article for this, since this is the best instruction set that I have found, and I cannot use Cash App since it is region locked in my country. So let me just start with step one, which is downloading the apps, of course, through either the App Store or the Play Store for Android devices. You can download them, create accounts, and then start this process. Once you do this, you need to add funds to your Temu account before you can transfer money from Temu. You need to have funds loaded, and you do this within the Temu app by tapping on payments in the bottom of a navigation bar. Then go to the dashboard and add funds by clicking add money and entering the amount you wish to load. You can add funds instantly with a linked debit card or a bank account, so that is the first step you need to do. Then once you have a sufficient balance, you'll be ready to send to Cash App. Then you need to find your cash tag on Cash App by just going into the app. And then on your profile icon in the top right corner, on your profile screen, you'll see a distinctive $ cash tag displayed below your name, and then that's what you need to copy. Then to initiate the transfer with your cash tag, open the app, Temu that is, and navigate to the Payments tab. Then tap on Send Money to start the process, and then on the screen select to cash tag as the transfer type. Then paste your cash tag and then confirm the amount you wish to transfer. Double check the cash tag and amount are correct, and then submit. Then confirm the transfer details. Some security questions might be asked, and you just need to confirm them. And then once everything looks good, just complete by clicking on Send Money Now. Then check Cash App for the deposit, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.